Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is a nav bar. A simple nav bar. Alright, so I know I've been kind of avoiding the tribute page for the moment, but I don't know. I just feel like I just need some time with a tribute page, because it takes a little bit of work. And this is like some quick little quickie dicky, ricky dicky stuff. So hopefully I'll be showing you guys like step by step, and we might create a web page together. But anyways, let's get started. So what we want to do is just start off and get our nice little skeleton forming up. I get the HTML, put in the head, get that title in. So for this, we're gonna be putting a nice title of, like, for example, hotel. So who knows, maybe we'll be building a nice hotel website. Hardy har har. Hee 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 ha 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 ha. So we be doing this right here. Don't forget about our meta tags. Meta char set UTF-8, just cause you guys are gonna have to use that. And then don't forget, we want to link our style sheet. So this is going to be in our assets. And then just give me one moment. Okay, sorry about that. So anyways, so while we're gonna be creating a link, let's set up the folder. So I'm gonna create an assets folder. I don't know, I'm just gonna start putting things in an asset folder, because why not? Make a CSS, and then we're gonna put in our style. Style, because we are gonna be working with an external style sheet. Yay, very cool, very awesome. And then from there, let us just start it up again. CSS style, boom, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Heck yeah. And then don't forget to put in our body tags, and boom. Now let's test it out and see if everything's working while creating a nice H1. And yay, something worked. Let's get it. Now let's have some fun. So for the moment, we don't really need CSS, but hey, I like to be prepared, you feel me? So what we're gonna be doing is creating a header tag, and we're gonna be putting a nav bar inside of our header tag. We're gonna create create a nav tag and put UL, and we're pretty much gonna be creating a little list. And for the moment, they're not gonna be going to anywhere. We're gonna create a nice little home, and then also real quick, if you hold Shift and Alt while you're in Visual Studio on the Windows keyboard, I don't know how to do it on Mac, so please do not fight me. And you just put a nice about and contact. Boom shakalaka, easy peasy lemon squeezy. At the same time, so you want to also give these bad boys a nice, like, ID as well. So for this, or you want to give it a nice, like, calling sign. So you would put an ID of nav bar, just for the fun of it, as well as I'm gonna tell you guys real quick that we're gonna also put this into a nice little we're gonna put this in a container, because it's gonna be way easier if you just press dot container, it's gonna be easier to make these things all fit. And I'll tell you guys what I mean about it in just a sec. And whatever, I'm just gonna go like this. And messed up, but it's okay, because we are awesome people. And as well as inside this container, inside our nav bar, we're gonna create a nice H1, which is pretty much gonna be our logo. So if we give this an idea of the logo, and I don't know, let's call this what is this? Let's do HLK. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that nav bar. Nice, simple, and disgusting. Very awesome, very cool, and that's how we like it. Okie dokie, guys. So I feel like this is pretty much it. Also, real quick, I forgot. So we also want to create like a little thingy, so it's gonna be like telling us this is the current homepage, so it can have a nice little hover design, and I'll show you guys that in a sec. Ha ha ha, very cool. So on the CSS, what we are going to do is, I would like to start with commenting something out, be like, what is this gonna be? A reset CSS. Or you can make this be called whatever you want, but what we are doing here is pretty much resetting most of the defaults. So margin and padding are going to be 0, and box sizing border box, just so everything is gonna be nice and chill. And that's basically it. And then what we're gonna do here is create a little main styles, where these are gonna be pretty much like having most of our styles, like the body and the links and the H1s and the H2s. And pretty much how this is gonna be is, I don't know, let's change the font family to something different, like, I don't know, how does Georgia look like? Nothing. Cool. It doesn't even look like anything changed. I don't know, let's give this thing a nice little font family. What other font families are there? Impact. What's Cumbria? Ew. Alright, let's go with Cumbria. This looks like it's like old, weird, very not, I don't know. Let's go with this one. And then also let's give it a nice little line height. Let's give it some line height. Just a little bit. There we go, a little bit spacing between the lines, We don't want them to be all iffy. At the same time, let's get rid of the underline under the links. So text decoration is gonna be to none. Oh yeah, look at that. And then let's change up the color a little bit, because we're cool people. Let's give it a nice color of like 666666666. Or like a 6 is nice. Ha 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 ha. And then I feel like, since that's what's in our nav for the moment, I feel like that's pretty much it, to be honest with you. And then let's just start working on what we got inside our nav bar. So nav bar, very cool, very awesome stuff, right, boys and gals? Just want to be able to make this a little bit bigger, so you guys are gonna be seeing some cool things going on. Let's change this up. I don't think we need this index anymore. Or no, I actually do, because for the IDs, I'm such a silly goose. But anyways, let's peep this popsicle stick. So for the nav bar, we're gonna be making it so it's gonna have a nice background color. Background color #333. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All over the world. Oh snap, I forgot. Well, hold up. Let's just customize this nav bar real quick. Let's give it a nice color. And then I feel like the same color, like just make it white. Make the text white. It's a little bit white. And then let's go with the overflow is hidden. Just so, honestly, I forgot what it means. I'm very sorry, guys. Don't hate on me. Don't hate on me. Okay, I forgot. I just know this helps the nav bar become a nav bar. But before we do that, alright, we're also going to be working with the container div. And I like to make a nice, I like to be organized. Alright, I feel like this actually helps you guys out a lot. And oops, I'm not naming this container. That's not what I meant to say. But we're going to be creating a nice little utilities list. And utilities pretty much like we're going to be using across the board. And remember, we have created a container. So inside this container, this is where we're going to be working with our margin. And we're going to set it so it's auto. And you guys can see nothing changed because we also got to give it like a max width. And 1100 pixels is good. At the same time, we want to give it an overflow of hidden, as well as, yeah, same thing, hoop-de-doo. At the same time, what is this last one? Padding. And then 0 on the top, or the, yeah, top and bottom, I'm pretty sure is the first one. And then left and right. Yeah. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy go. It looks like it's nothing. It looks like poop. Oh, no. You see, guys? It worked. Oh, my God. I scared myself. Wow, look at that responsiveness. So you see how it starts off right in the middle, and then once it hits like 100,000 pixels, 1,100 pixels, it like stays. So that's what's up. That's what's up. That is what is up. Anyways, let's go back to work. Let's go and work on the, what is it called? The inside the nav bar. You guys see that we have those links? Let's get rid of the, what is it called? The, let's get rid of the color. No. I forgot the. I'm sorry. Let's get rid of the. There we go. List style. I'm sorry. There we go. Now we got rid of those dots. But sorry about that, guys. And then let's float this bad boy to the right. Float right. Boom. And then at the same time, while that is floated to the right, we also want to change the color of our links. So everything inside the nav bar, all those links, I want them to be white as well. Oops. There we go. Just so it's like easier to see, you guys feel me? And then also at the same time, I want the H1 to float to the left. Just because I don't really know about box sizing, alright? So, I don't really know about margins and, CSS box and flex box so much. I just know about floating things to the left and to the right, so don't hate on me, alright? We ain't professional out here. We're just simple-minded people doing simple things, trying to get to simple places, live a simple life, alright? And boom shakalaka, easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's very nice so far, if you ask me. Alright. So now with that being said, let us continue. So now since we worked with the H1, also what we want to do is now try and get the other one. So the nav list. So let's just work up top right here so we can keep everything organized. So the UL, the LI, so the list items, let's float them to the left. So float left, boom, boom. You guys see that? You guys see how awesome that looks now? And then with the links, let's work with the links. Since the lists are inside the links, yeah, I know, right? Everything's inside everything, inside everything. What a whoop-de-doopy-doo world. And then let's display that as a block. So it could become a block level element. And then let's give it a nice padding, like 20 pixels all around, just like we did with the, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Nice. Looking very nice. And just in case, just align this bad boy in the center so all the text can look very nicely done. At the same time, let us do something real quick. So you guys see how when it hovers over it, nothing happens. We want to make it hover. At the same time, I don't know why there's this line right here. Like, what is this line? What is that line? Where is this line coming from? Alright, sorry about that, guys. Anyways, whatever. Let's just forget about that. So let's go back and check this out real quick. So nav bar, and we're gonna work with the hover state. So lia hover. So when it's going to hover, let us work with a different type of background color. And let's give it like a nice 4. I don't know, I'm feeling like a quad. And then the color, snap, I don't know, let's go sandy brown. How does that look? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that crispy goodness. Alright, now, also, you guys seen how we gave this a current class? Right here in the H1. How home right here got that current class, and on the next page, on the about page, we're gonna give this the class and whatever. So let's just give this a comma, and give this another little thingy, another little, I forgot, attribute element, life, and then oops, and we're gonna make it tell us, so every li, that's a link, every link that has the current class to it will also have that. So boom, boom, boom. Hey, she is working like a charm. So in the end, everything seems to be working smoothly. So there you guys go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And hopefully you guys have a wonderful night. At the same time, if you guys are waiting on the Trippy page, soon, okay? Gosh, soon. Hardy har har. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.